So I found these models brand new in box. Probably you remember I bought this long time ago. So I'm gonna put this for sale on my online store. Link in the description. CustomTrackmasters.com. And we have Duchess, never opened, brand new. I think I have another one over there. So we have Duchess. Duchess. So brand new. Here is Yongbao the hero. Yes, also brand new, never open. I have some of these that have been open. I no longer have these. I have the train, but not the snake, neither Ace the Racer. So, okay, and I have also this. Yeah, this has never been opened. It looks like it's kind of pulled, but here is the original tape. And also on the other side, the other end, the original tape. Never opened. This is Golden Thomas 75 anniversary. I don't know if you've seen this available on eBay or some other places, maybe. So yeah, there are still some available. So here is Thomas, Annie, and Plarail, another brand new in package model. Yeah, I sold a lot of those Thomas, Percy, Rebecca, and James. The other day I sold like 8 packages. I still have them. So I already show you Duchess. There is Duchess, and we have Yongbao, another Yongbao. So this pack where Thomas, Percy, Rebecca, and James comes with the Thomas, Rainbow Thomas, brand new. Also never opened, so you can see some crush here. This is because it's being in storage and handling. So I will show you some other models that I have here. So the next ones I already opened. These are open box. So I'm gonna describe this on my listing, open box, but it comes in a package. I think I show you guys these models a long time ago. There's Kenji, and one of those I put the 24,000 RPM motor. I'm gonna try to figure out which one was. So this one also is used only once for a video or two. I think it's only once. Yeah, Animal Party Percy. I'm gonna put this also on my online store, CustomTrackmasters.com. So that will be used with the package and everything will be included. So here's another Golden Thomas I opened and show you guys long time ago. Well, it's not actually long time ago. I think it was last year. And also I have another Thomas, Annie, and Clarabelle. Like I say, used once just for unboxing. And here is Nia and the elephant. This one also open. I think I have some other Nias and Yongbaos in other boxes, and I will show you. Well, actually, I'm going to put the listing. I have so many, and I mean, I have like a 5 or 10, whatever, and I describe it in the listing. This one is open box. Also used once, Duchess, once or twice. Well, actually, it ran just once. I unboxed it, and then the other video was, I think, was for the comparison with my custom Duchess and this Duchess. Okay, let's put it to run. The first model we have is Kenji. All these are from 2013. And let's do a little lap. So there it is, Kenji working as it should. Nice model. I thought this was the 24,000 RPM Kenji, but it's not. The next one I have is Thomas, Annie, and Clarabelle. Basically they are new, completely new. So there goes Thomas. Ooh. It's out of the tracks. Oh, come on. Okay, there it goes. Working nice. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, the next one. Let's move on. So this will be could be nice for a video review. I need to be very gentle since this still brand new. Used once. The next one is Duchess here with small passenger car, and also new, of course. Like I say, it's used once, and they will be available on my online store, customtrackmaster.com. I don't know if you guys remember when these models came to the available to the public. Was a nice I mean, people get excited when you get the new models. So here is a 75 anniversary, I think. Yeah, 75 anniversary Golden Thomas. I always try to recreate this shiny finish, but I know how to do it now. I learned a little bit online, and I find out that there is a chemical involved. There's two chemicals actually, liquids, and then you can achieve this metallic finish, but it's dangerous. You need to know how to get it done. And I don't know if it's safe or not, because I see that's for it's an application that people doing it for like motorcycle helmets or some part of the motorcycles, but I don't know if those are safe for kids. So there goes Thomas 75 anniversary with the drum. There's a lot of confetti and everything in there. Excellent. Okay, let's move on to the next one, and is Nia from, I think it's Nia's from Africa, I think. I'm not really good at this. I haven't even watched the episode or anything. Comes with the elephant, very bright orange color for Nia. And the elephant, I think this is a stack of hay for the elephant. Well, that's what I think it looks like. And here is Nia. Nice models. And the last one, I know this one has a battery on it. This is Animal Party Percy, I think. Yes, I think it's Animal Party Percy. Comes with a zebra and a camel, and Percy with kind of jaguar spots or something. I think you guys know better than me. So yeah. Okay, there goes Percy and the party. Percy and the party or Percy at the party? Let me check. Where is the box? Oh, it's Animal Party Percy. I was saying it in the wrong